Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by importing all sources into one Nvivo project so everything is searchable. Once imported, organize sources into folders and add key attributes like participant ID and date to speed filtering. Then create provisional nodes for obvious concepts, roughly 5-10, because early structure guides consistency. As you code a few documents, you'll notice gaps. Revise node names immediately to avoid duplicate themes. This first moving step gets you into the data fast and prevents rework later. Now you refine themes by iterating between coding and analysis. Use coding stripes and matrix coding queries to compare patterns across participants. This shows where themes converge or diverge. When a node is too broad, split it. When several overlap, merge and create parent-child relationships to express hierarchy. Run word frequency and text search queries to validate that your themes reflect the data rather than assumptions. Make sure to memo decisions so you can justify why themes changed as you progressed. Finish by exporting node summaries, visual models, and writing clear thematic memos for each major node so you can report findings. Once done, run cross-case and matrix queries to ensure consistency, and if you worked with others, perform intercoder comparison to align coding. If themes feel unstable or muddled, rerun targeted queries and recode a 10-20% sample to test robustness. This troubleshooting step catches drift and strengthens your thematic claims before final analysis.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.